this here is some sample footage shot with the new Moza Mini MX. It's the latest smartphone gimbal from Moza that retails for only $89. With its excellent performance, ease of use, and of course that steal of a deal price tag, could the new Mini MX be the perfect budget gimbal to take your videos to the next level? I think it could be. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Moza Mini MX. It wasn't all that long ago that gimbals used to be a luxury to use. They were expensive, they were clunky, they were time-consuming to operate. However, in recent years, they become the complete opposite of that. Nowadays, they're affordable, they're easy to travel with, and they are very user-friendly. Dare I say, they're actually pretty darn good across the board, and the new Moza Mini MX is no exception to this. The controls are easy and straightforward to use, it folds up to be small and compact, and the battery life is rated at 20 hours of use per charge. For something so cheap, it does seem a little too good to be true, but having used this thing for the past few weeks now, I can honestly say that this thing is awesome. Webs!
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing much.
This is pretty stable, right?
Yeah.
Look at this.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. This would have been great for conventions if they were a thing.
You know what also would have been great?
What?
Maine. On all those bumpy roads.
It would have been. Then we would have been able to walk and hike and do all look for moose. We'd be able to do all these things if we had this at the time when we went last month.
Well, you know what? I say we just go back and bring it.
Totally. Let's do it. This is sweet. I like this. I dig this. In the box, when you first get the Mini MX, it comes with the gimbal itself, a little mini tripod, a cloth carrying case, a USB-C charging cable, a wrist strap, and some documentation. The Mini MX is dead simple to operate. You just clamp your phone around the center in the adjustable grip, power the gimbal on, and it's all set and ready to go. The max payload here is 280 grams, so it should support all but the heaviest smartphones without an issue. I was really surprised when I found out that the Mini MX works really well with my Moment wide-angle lens on my iPhone 11 Pro with its photo case. This opens the door to so many amazing possibilities because this means that you can experiment with a whole bunch of different focal lengths. Bear in mind though that heavier payloads will have an impact on battery life since the motors are going to have to work overtime to keep things stabilized. Just a little FYI. I think what's going to surprise most people though is how lightweight the Mini MX actually is. The gimbal itself is made of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap or feel like there were any corners cut to meet the price tag. Since it's so lightweight, that means that you can hold this gimbal for even longer periods of time without feeling fatigued or any soreness in your arm. There is no doubt in my mind that this will be the gimbal that I take to conventions and events when those start back up again. I'll probably even start taking it on vacation trips too when I travel because it's just so compact and I can easily just toss it in my bag and go. Aside from its price tag and how lightweight it is, what also surprised me about the Mini MX is how packed it is with features, and that's mostly thanks to the Moza Genie companion app. In the app, you can change between camera modes, video resolution, which lens on your phone you want to use, add filters, and so much more. One cool thing you can also enable in this companion app are gesture controls. When gesture controls are enabled, you can make a peace sign to start recording and make a fist to stop recording.
Oh yeah, so you can start and stop with gestures. So you can go like this to start it, and you can go like this.
They actually work really well and it's very responsive, so I can actually see this being a useful feature for those that film by themselves or don't have a remote shutter. Additionally, the app allows you to track a subject as well and set points to produce a sweet motion time-lapse with the gimbal. The Genie app does work surprisingly well and it gives you a lot of flexibility to get the shot that you want. If you don't see yourself using the Genie app, what's also cool is that you can use the stock camera app or your favorite camera app with the Mini MX connected to your phone. In this case, the gimbal will act as a Bluetooth trigger, so you can start, stop recording, and so on. Man, I really do enjoy doing these types of videos, you know, getting out, going on adventures, trying new gear. It's just always a blast. It's a blast from the norm just to get out, explore, do things. It's really great. Gimbals, though, are those types of things you don't really think of too much unless you're a film or video person. They're definitely very niche. However, nowadays, they're so accessible in price and usability that they're great for even hobbyists and enthusiasts nowadays. Having spent the past few weeks now with the Moza Mini MX here, it made me realize just that. At $89, this little guy is an overachiever in everything that it can do. From impressive battery life to vertical mode support to excellent stability to an impressive lightweight foldable form factor, I actually don't have a single bad thing to say about the Mini MX. There's no paid product here, no advertisement. Moza didn't pay me a dime to say anything. They did send me this gimbal though and asked for my honest opinion, and my honest opinion is that this thing is going in my camera bag because it's really good. Overall, the Mini MX is a fantastic smartphone gimbal that I think will no doubt allow you to create better videos on your phone. You guys know all too well that I fully believe the future of filmmaking and video production is mobile. There's no doubt in my mind that the industry is innovating most in this area, and the quality just speaks for itself. It is unreal nowadays. When I shoot with my iPhone 11 Pro, I know that I'm going to be getting excellent audio and excellent video quality just by hitting record. But when I factor in the Mini MX to the equation, it just simply takes it all to the next level. Moza is setting a new standard here by offering a gimbal that is packed with excellent performance, a whole lot of features, and they're just selling it for under $100. When I first saw that price tag, I'm gonna admit I was skeptical, but having used it, I am very impressed. If you want to start creating even better videos with your smartphone and don't want to break the bank, the Mini MX should not be overlooked. It's really that good. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, you know the drill by now. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. And until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!